Ever wonder how the most successful people get so much done? They use AI. Here's a look at their daily AI routine. Their day starts with AI. They have an AI assistant that has already planned their day, organized their to-do list, and summarized their most important emails. They don't waste time figuring out what to do. They wake up and execute, guided by their AI. Throughout the workday, AI is their co-pilot. They use AI to draft documents, analyze data, and prepare for meetings. They delegate tasks to their AI assistant, freeing them up to focus on high-level strategy and decision-making. They're not just working, they're working on their work, with AI as their partner. The day ends with AI-powered learning. They use AI to get summaries of books, articles, and research papers. They learn faster and stay ahead of the curve. They're not just relaxing. They're investing in themselves, with AI as their tutor. This isn't science fiction. This is how the most productive people in the world are operating right now. You can too. Start by using AI to plan your day tomorrow. See the difference it makes. Subscribe for more on how to work like the best.